Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will go over how to open WeChat account without scanning QR code. Now let's begin. What we can do first is open up the WeChat's application. And after that, here in the home page, click on Login. And on the bottom part, click on More Options. Here, you will need to click on Help Center. Now, click on Send Feedback. After that, you just need to fill out every details needed, and also don't forget to make a description about your problem. You need to make it as detailed as possible. And after that, click on Submit. Now, you just wait till WeChat contact you. And that's how to open WeChat account without scanning QR code. That's everything for this video. Now, if this video helped, please leave a like and subscribe.